All right, everybody, Sylvia here. I am in Temecula, California. I'm camped at a beautiful KOA. It's morning. I'm just out walking around. It's my birthday today. I had a really fun conversation with a dear friend last night, and she raised the question, what does 63 look like, and what do I see for myself in the next year? I thought I'd walk around and try to answer that question. And I gotta be careful because there's rattlesnakes out here. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. I'm out here walking on some of these paths in this campground. It's really a beautiful day. And yeah, I'm turning 63 today. I think I've noticed that we all have a different strategy for how to approach our birthday. And I noticed that I started doing something new a few years ago. I think it was when I turned 60 that I started telling people my age a week early. So like this year, I'm turning 63. So a week ago, I started telling people that I'm 63. I think it's a way to try it on, see how it feels. Is everything okay? Just kind of get used to the idea. And I have friends who, they don't want to talk about their birthdays. They don't want any gifts. They don't want any celebrations. They just want to ignore the whole thing. And I got to say that I've always kind of looked forward to my birthday. Even when I was a kid, I think I remember being a kid looking forward to turning 40. That like somehow that was something fun to think about in the future. And since I've been traveling, mostly on my trike, I've been lots and lots of places, New Zealand, Australia, Southeast Asia, where the time zones are far in advance. And I started to get Facebook messages, email messages yesterday. And I had such a funny reaction because I was like preparing myself for turning 63 today, not yesterday. And oh my gosh, I just had such a funny, strong reaction. Of course, it's wonderful to hear from everybody, all these far off places, and to be reminded of the fun times that I had with all these different people and the places that I've been. But oh my gosh, I was very clear that I was preparing myself for my birthday today and not yesterday. And that was really pretty funny. And I also got email messages from friends and phone calls, and I had a long conversation with a dear friend who said to me, what does it look like? How do you see yourself at 63? What do you see for yourself for the coming year? So that's a pretty interesting question. And I thought about it for a little bit, and I realized that I have an action-packed year already planned. In fact, I am not sure that I've ever had a year that was planned out as much as this coming year is planned. A couple of weeks ago, I was in Yuma with my friends Dave and Edna, and we stopped into Mexico. I had lab work done, I had prescriptions filled, and I got a year's worth of medication. I was on my way back from Tucson, and it suddenly occurred to me that I have so much going on that I might not be back here within a year. And so I stopped into Mexico, went to a pharmacy, and I got a few more months worth of the medication that I need just in case. And so, yeah, I feel like I've got a really fun year planned. I've got a whiteboard in my trailer, and I list the videos that I'm thinking about doing. And at the moment, there are 16 videos in the queue to be made. So much to look forward to. I'm going to be pretty busy. And I think 63 is going to be a really good year. And I also want to take the time to say thank you to everybody who's been just so supportive and enthusiastic participating on my YouTube channel. This is something I started, I guess, about 4 years ago, mostly as a way to document my travels for me, for my friends, for my family, and it has turned into a really nice community. I get just so many lovely responses on the videos, and I find it very motivating, and it really keeps me wanting to do more. And of course, I have my blog too, and doing both of them I find very, very rewarding. And I have a really fun day planned. I'm going to get hitched up. I'm going to be moving to another campground very close to Laguna Beach, and I'm going to be meeting very, very dear friends for my birthday. And I'm really pretty excited about this because usually I am on the road, maybe on my trike, and I celebrate, my birthdays are usually celebrated alone. And so it's going to be just a really fun to be with these friends. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about turning older. What does it look like for you? Do you have a special strategy for turning the next year? Happy Valentine's Day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time.